According to the caloric theory, heat is present in all bodies in the form of a weightless fluid. Caloric is the hypothetical weightless fluid. The normal human body temperature is the temperature at which both Celsius and Fahrenheit scales coincide with each other is C. Absolute zero equivalent to B. Kinetic energy of gas molecules is D. Kinetic energy per mole of ideal gas molecule is B. Upon which physical quantity kinetic energy of gas molecules depends? B. Molecules of which gas, oxygen or nitrogen in air will move fast at some particular temperature? C. The unit of coefficient of the thermal expansion is C. Coefficient volumetric expansion is the B. Which physical quantity of substance does not change with the thermal expansion? C. Which types of strips of metals are used in bimetallic strip? A. A thermostat is a device which is used D. To keep the temperature constant. The quantity of heat required to change the state of substances C. The quantity of heat required per degree rise the temperature of substance is B. The quantity of heat required per degree rise the temperature of unit mass of a substance is D. The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of water through 1 kg in joules is B. The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 mole of an ideal gas at constant pressure through 1 kg is D. The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 mole of an ideal gas at constant volume through 1 kg is A. PV y is equal to dash C. The graph of Boyle's law is D. The graph of Charles' law is C. In which process there is no work done? D. Work done in isobaric process is C. In which process there is no change in internal energy of system with heat transfer? B. Efficiency of heat engine will be minimum when A. Entropy change of heat engine would be maximum when A. In which process work done is maximum? C. The internal energy of system depends upon temperature. The universal gas constant per molecule is called B. The difference of molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure and at constant volume is equal to the C. The machine which works on the principle of Kelvin statement is B. The machine which works on the principle of Clausius statement is A. There are 4 rods of same substance and same area of cross action but of different length, and they are heated through the same range of temperature. The linear thermal expansion will be maximum. B. Increase in length per unit length per degree rise in temperature of aluminium rod of 10 is 24x 10 to the power 6 Celsius. What would be the increase in volume per unit volume are heated through the same range of temperature? A. Linear thermal expansion does not take place in which of the following? A. Ratio between the coefficient of linear thermal expansion and coefficient of cubical thermal expansion is A. And a fixed mass of gas is heated at constant volume. Which one of the following will not change? A. The pressure of a fixed mass of gas increases when it is heated at constant volume is due to A. Change in temperature of body is 50 Celsius. The change in temperature on the Kelvin scale is A. Absolute zero of a gas is the temperature at which it's D. Bimetallic thermostat is used to D. At volume 5 and temperature T. At volume, the pressure of N molecules, the gas is P. If the number of molecules of gas is doubled at constant volume, then the answer is D. At constant pressure, the volume of the given mass of a gas is V at temperature T. At what temperature volume of the gas will be 4V? A. When ice cube melts into water, the ice water system undergoes a change such that A. Entropy of the system increases and internal energy decreases. D is the wrong answer. The temperature of a substance changes from -2 Celsius to 20 Celsius. What would be the change on Kelvin scale? A. If heat energy is removed from an object, its temperature will normally falls. The root mean square speed of the molecules of an ideal gas in a sealed container is V. The gas is heated until the pressure in the container is tripled. The RMS speed is now A. The average Ke of the molecules of an ideal in a closed vessel is increased by a factor 4. What would be pressure of the gas? C. If heat energy is supplied to the system and is the work done by the system, then internal energy retained by the system is B. The work done during dash process is obtained from the internal energy of gas. C. The process in which whole amount of heat energy supplied is used to increase the internal energy is B. In an isothermal process, work done is maximum and change in internal energy is B. A fixed mass of gas is heated at constant volume. Which one of the following would not change? D. The statement of the first law of thermodynamics implies that C. The molar specific heat of an ideal gas is greater at constant pressure than at constant volume because C. The molar specific heat of an ideal monatomic gas at constant pressure is B. When a monatomic ideal gas undergoes an isothermal change, then C. The efficiency of Carnot engine depends upon A. The efficiency of the Carnot engine is directly proportional to the B. For an ideal gas, an isobaric change is given by D. If T is the temperature of the heat source and T2 is the temperature of the heat sink, then efficiency of the Carnot engine will be D. The efficiency of Carnot heat engine is always B. Sorry, C. The efficiency of Carnot heat engine is always less than 100. If Q1 is the amount of heat energy supplied to the Carnot heat engine and Q2 is the heat energy rejected to the sink, the efficiency of the heat engine is directly proportional to the C. For an ideal gas, an isothermal change is given by C. Boyle's law. Two equal masses of an ideal gas at same temperature and pressure are compressed to half of their volumes, one of them isothermally and the other adiabatically. Which one of the following would be the same for both? D. None of these. The Carnot heat engine would have same efficiencies when A. The entropy is the measure of the dash of a system. A. Disorder. When ice melts, then entropy of the system increases. The maximum efficiency of a heat engine could be increased by D. Decreasing the temperature of sink, increasing the temperature of source. This is the right answer. Net change in entropy of a system in a neutral process is C. Positive. Change in internal energy of system at constant pressure is A.